Hi, I'm Carolyn, trichologist at Absolute. Today we have a food for ferritin recipe for you. So we have previously talked about our guide, food for ferritin, that you may or may not yet have. You email a request, so it tells you about how to do the right food combining, what foods you should be eating to help with your ferritin. We then followed up with our Food for Ferritin recipe book. And we just wanted to share with you an individual recipe from the book, just to show you that it is designed for however you eat. So we've got it for our omnivores, our vegetarians, or even our vegans. And it's color coded, so you can opt in and opt out of what it is that you can handle. We cover sensitivities, gluten-free, nut allergies and all that sort of thing. So there's something here for everyone. This particular recipe today is chicken and broccoli super salad, but there's lots of ways that you can intermix the ingredients that we've suggested and use other things that may be in your refrigerator or pantry at the same time. We want to point out, because some people are emailing me through that, oh yes, can I have food for ferritin? Yes, I'm going to follow the recipes and it'll fix all my iron and ferritin problems. Well, it won't, because you need to also be guided by your health practitioner on your own individual iron and ferritin levels and why they may be low, because you don't want to supplement and make it too high either. So it's great that you want to use food, and I do encourage everybody to use good, healthy food just for general health and to assist in supporting iron and ferritin, but sometimes we may need some other assisting nutrients as well. So the chicken, if you're going to use any animal products in any of these recipes, please make sure it's hormone free. That's very, very important to the recipes. And if you can go organic, it helps, and also GMO free are things to look for. So it's good clean eating as well. Some people might be sensitive to raw vegetables, so you would just always slightly blanch them as well. So just when you read through the recipes, just be aware that you can actually fine tune it a little bit for your individual concern. So we share this because we're trying to help you with treatments for hair loss, but if there's something wrong with the hair, the problem is from within. So if we start helping you in all ways, we get a much better result. So I hope that helps. If you want a copy of either our Food for Ferritin or our Food for Ferritin recipes, drop us an email to info@absolute.com.au. Thanks.